everything you say should be true. But not everything true should be said. Let that really settle in. Everything you say should be true. But not everything that is true should be said. There's time and place for everything. Just because you know certain information, whether it's true or not, if it can truly hurt somebody, bring them down, deteriorate, tear them apart, how much of the truth should even be said? Rather than just saying nothing at all. Think about that. I know we want to get the facts out. We want to get the information out. We want to say it. We want to make sure we throw it on the table and they can feel it. But it's like, what do you win? What do you gain? If the person you're hurting, supposedly you love, what do you win from that?